I've seen the stars call out my name, felt the fire run through my veins. But I don't chase just to escape, I move with meaning in every pace. Not built on gold or empty praise, my dreams are forged in grounded ways. I walk the line between sky and stone, I rise but never walk alone. They said fly high, don't look back, but I've learned to carry more than that. Roots run deep beneath my strode, wings stretch wide but truth's inside. Reach for the sky but hold the earth, true strength begins in knowing worth. No need to rush what's meant to grow, purpose is the path I know. I'll build a legacy, not just fame. With steady heart I'll stake my claim, climb with grace, stay true to me. That's the shape of victory. I've seen the cost of hollow dreams, built on noise, not steady beams. But I'd rather rise a little slow than crash in flames with nowhere to go. Each step I take, I lay the stone of something lasting, something known. The world will watch me light the way, not just for now, but every day. They said go fast, don't look down, but I found power in this ground. My roots don't weigh, they help me fly, balance born from reasons why. Reach for the sky but hold the earth, true strength begins in knowing worth. No need to rush what's meant to grow, purpose is the path I know. I build a legacy, not just fame. With steady heart I'll stake my claim, climb with grace, stay true to me. That's the shape of victory. Let others chase a fleeting crown, but I found power in this ground. My roots don't weigh, they help me fly, balance born from reasons why. Reach for the sky but hold the earth, true strength begins in knowing worth. I'm not just rising, I'm becoming. With every beat my purpose drumming. I'll build a life, not just a name, but steady heart beyond the flame. With grounded dreams and eyes that see, that's the shape of victory. A victory.